COVID situation was, of course, a challenge for us as well. We usually work with high potentials and executives from many different countries, and with the travel situation, we could not bring people on campus anymore. So we moved, together with our outstanding faculty, all our activities online, the teaching in the classroom, live sessions, networking, social hangouts, and alumni activities. So all the participants basically got what they usually would get if they come to campus.
Even though personally I am I'm not a big fan of online teaching, it was really done and managed in a very structured way, very thoughtful, great insight, a lot of work, a lot of interaction, even though through the online platforms. And in the end, we all agreed that we almost couldn't feel, except for the fact that we really wanted to see each other. But we, in terms of the material, in terms of the interaction with the professor and what we did learn, everything went perfect, really. All of us are benefiting and will be benefiting greatly in terms of friendship, in terms of, I guess, future also business relationships, advices that we can exchange, and it's really great. Yeah.
Look, I mean, the important thing was the material, you know, the knowledge, the skill that you are learning from the program itself. And VU being rated number 9 in terms of program quality, I mean, it doesn't really matter whether you do it face-to-face in terms of program quality or you do it online.
What makes our programs really strong is interaction in the classroom with a lot of participants from different countries, different industries, and different functional specializations. How are we going to realize that in these challenging times? We have upgraded our lecture rooms with equipment that brings in those who cannot travel into the classroom through video, through audio equipment, so you will hardly feel the difference.